Um, I am prepared, you know. So I'm gonna ask you some question about the Turkish culture, Turkish language. Okay.
I'm not good at this,
So-
by the way. I'm not good at Turkish culture and Turkish language.
But you know, you can teach me like at least how can I survive with the markets
Oh, okay, I guess.
with what I've got.
Tostald. Is that Turkish lira? Oh
what
my
I've
god,
got.
it's Turkish lira! It's more than what I have. How's it going?
It's going good. Is it so hot there in Istanbul?
Oh yeah, I don't have an air conditioner or a fan.
Mhm.
So, and I have to keep the windows closed because of all the noise from outside.
Yeah, but I think Istanbul nowadays it's rainy days there.
Yeah, how do you know? Yeah, it's rainy.
Yeah, because my brother was there and he returned 2 days ago to Iraq. Yeah.
Yeah, and you didn't come?
Yeah, that's why I'm calling you today, and because I applied for a visa. Okay.
Oh, your visa expired, so you have to get a new one.
Yeah, and guess where I'm gonna go?
Where?
No, this is for another one.
You spelled it wrong. You spelled it correctly. Turkey. Yes. Oh, so you're really good.
Okay. It's they have a red flag with I don't know like half moon. Yeah, with maybe 2 or 3 stars. Your flag, Turkish flag.
One star.
One star.
Yeah,
One
one star. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but I didn't get the visa yet. So I don't know what happened. And my brother told me that Turkey nowadays it's not like the old days. Like everything is not cool. Everything is calm. No more like tourists. And you should like keep your mask on because like Turkish people they're restricted with these stuff.
Yeah, there are still some restrictions. Like I think people have to be home it doesn't apply to me because I have my American passport.
Yeah.
So I guess I mean it's not I think maybe Sundays like you still have to stay in and nothing is open. But
Just
other than
Sunday.
that, everything is kind of like back to normal. You just have to wear a mask.
So I am prepared, you know. So I'm gonna ask you some question about the Turkish culture, Turkish language. Okay.
I'm not good at this,
So-
by the way. I'm not good at Turkish culture and Turkish language.
But you know, you can teach me like at least how can I survive with the markets
Oh, okay, I guess.
with what I've got.
Tostald. Is that Turkish lira?
With
Oh
what
my
I've
god,
got.
it's Turkish lira! It's more than what I have.
So this is like 800 lira. How many hours I can survive with this 800 lira?
Lira. I don't know. What are you planning on doing? You can go have a nice breakfast. You can go.
Okay.
What are you gonna go shopping for? You have to bargain really well.
You know, in my opinion, this 800 lira with my wife can survive for 15 minutes in El Kiki.
I'll see what Kiki. I was there like last week. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. No, I like your hair color.
Oh yeah, you noticed they changed it.
Yeah, the change, and you remind me with this Hollywood actor. Her name is Anna Faris. You know her?
Paris? Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I don't look like Anna Faris.
with this color, you look like Anna Faris, you know?
No way. Let me see.
Ye-
Anna Faris. I
Yeah.
do not look like.
Search about her
I
name.
don't look like that.
You have to put your hair just like it on your forehead. Yeah.
Bangs. These are bangs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bangs.
Bangs. Yeah. Like this.
And
The
you will
bangs
look.
look right on me. Wait.
You will look like. Yeah. It's very. Look, Anna Faris.
No.
Hello, Anna Faris. I used to watch her series.
I love her movies. Oh, I never saw the
Yeah.
fear. I tried. Did you like that show?
Mom.
Yeah, it was called
Mom?
Mom or something like that. It was with her.
Yeah, mom. With her mom.
mother. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in love with this show. You know,
Really?
I have been watching this show for 3 years.
Really?
Yeah,
Ah,
because
I
it has
was thinking-
maybe 6 seasons. So I watch it in between. Like sometimes I leave it for a while and return to this. Oh, my favorite show. I want to to relax. Yeah, I will see. I will watch Mom.
That show is your favorite show?
My favorite show. Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't believe you just said that. That's crazy. And ew.
Why?
I don't know. Like, for example, my favorite show is Friends, obviously. And then after Friends, I guess it would be like The Walking Dead or something.
Yeah, it's not like my favorite show, but yeah, I like this show. Yeah, I have watched many shows like Walking Dead, yeah, and Game of Thrones, and Prison Break, Lost.
I love Lost.
Yeah, Lost. Yeah,
Oh, that's a
Lost.
good idea. Maybe
Wow.
that's what I'll watch
I'm
again.
crazy. I'm crazy about Lost.
Me too, me too. Just the end was really ridiculous, but the rest of the show
Yeah,
was
yeah. They didn't show us those people stuck that island and how get out from this island.
Well, no, because that remember in the end it was their purgatory. Like they died. Wait, you watched the end, right?
Yeah, I watched absolutely. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
It's their purgatory. So that's when they realize, oh my God, we're dead. We're not really alive. This isn't real.
So they they are dead.
Yeah, they're all dead. They died in that plane crash.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my God, are you kidding me? You said you watched it. I just
Yeah,
spoiled.
but I told you I didn't catch understand the end. Like because you
Watch
know
it again.
the last scene the show I saw all the actors gathering in one house, all that I know, and I
Was
didn't
it a house or was
I
that
didn't
like
know
a
what
church?
I don't remember because this show I saw this show for a while, maybe for
Like 10
2 years.
years ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
When did that show end? I saw it like when it ended, like I watched it then. Lost series. You're making me Google everything today.
No, stop. You like Google to think.
I do, yeah. Okay, so 2010. Okay, so that's when I watched. It was 11 years ago. So I don't really remember it.
Wow.
Like I remember it
Yeah.
vaguely. And I remember them being in a church and they realized, okay, we're dead. And I was like, oh my God, it's their purgatory.
What does that mean? Story.
That's what I was waiting for you to ask. I knew that you didn't understand it. Why didn't you ask when I first said it? Let me type this.
Because you speak fast, but so I can
Oh,
interrupt you.
okay. It's like where you wait after
Wait.
you die. Here, do we have a word for this in Arabic? Let me see.
Let me try to pronounce it. Purgatory. 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 Yeah. Try to spell it in in
Do you
Arabic.
see the word that I just sent to you in Arabic? Does that make sense? Oh, you want me to
makes-
pronounce that? Okay, hold on. What's that second letter? Is it?
You can say L. L.
Oh, that's an L. Okay, so lam.
Lamborghini.
Is that what that's?
المطهر.
What is it?
المطهر.
El mutahel? Is it hell?
You look so cute with Arabic.
It's horrible.
Where were we?
Let me see what this is in Turkish because I've never actually Googled it. Purgatory.
Purgatory.
I don't know. I just know it's the place like where you wait. After you die, this is where you wait. It's like the waiting room, you can say. The waiting room to see if you're going to go to like heaven or hell or something. I don't know like which religions believe in this.
Like there is a room with guys there, and they decided whether we will go in the right side or maybe in the left side.
Yeah, or if we're gonna go like up, or if we're gonna go down.
No, no up and down. There's no left and right. Right and left.
How does it work then?
I don't know. So, I don't know, but
I think it's just the time when you're waiting in the grave, right?
Maybe that room like the actors gathering there, this room waiting their destiny.
I have no idea. Oh my god, why are we stuck on this topic? It's so sad.
Why you're an English tutor and supposed to be no.
Tell me, ask me how to spell something in English. I'll help you. I don't know what happens after we die. I never did it before, thankfully.
You can try it one day.
No.
Everybody gonna die.
I know. Isn't that sad? Like we live every day knowing that we're gonna die one day.
We have to appreciate every day we live.
Yeah. That's why I enjoy every moment.
Look at me. I'm speaking good English. Speaking
I know.
good sentences.
Yeah, and you can speak about any topic. It's amazing.
Good job, Anna Paris. You don't like her? You don't like her?
I do like her movies, but I didn't care for the show. But I do love her movies.
Yeah, and I love her character. Like whenever I see Anna Faris, it's a good movie. It's a good.
Right, exactly.
Yep.
Okay, like with her movies, I'm like, okay, it's probably gonna be good because Anna Faris is in it, you know?
Yeah.